Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D cutout effect on a picture where it makes the picture look like it's kind of bursting out beyond a box. And the first thing I always do is duplicate our layer. Next, I want you to make sure that white is your foreground color, that you go and select the rectangle tool, and we're going to draw a box around the main point of our subject. Next, what we want to do is we want to add a stroke. And we want to add a black stroke. We want it to be on the inside, and we want it to be at 30 pixels, so it's rather significant. Next, what we want to do is we want to pull this in between both our background copy and our background layer. We're going to turn the eyeball off of our background layer, okay, and then we're going to come back to this background copy, and we're actually going to turn the opacity down just for a little bit so we can see what we're doing, because we want to cut out around this. I'm going to use my move tool, and I'm going to move her because it's going to be her head. We're going to kind of cut up and around here to make it look like she's popping out of that picture. And I'm going to go over to the pen tool, and I want to make sure that I am clicking inside here at a point. So if I zoom in, Control plus to show you there, I'm clicking inside here. So let's just edit undo that a minute so you can see that closer. Click inside, then click inside here. Now I'm going to go out and around where her hair is, almost like I'm lassoing. Back on the inside, then the other inside point. I scroll down, other inside point, and see how it's connecting. Again, very much like a lassoing tool. But we haven't created our marching ants just yet, so we need to do a right click and hit Make Selection. And we're going to leave that radius at 3 pixels, and now we have our marching ants. I'm going to Control minus here a little bit so you can see what's happening. I'm going to go to Select and Inverse, and at this point I'm going to hit the delete button so that everything has been deleted except for our box and our little kind of peeking out beyond here. I'm going to bring that opacity back up. I'm going to deselect, and from here we have our cutout. Now you may want to select a picture where more than one part of the subject could kind of be popping out of the image there. You can adjust to make the box wider or smaller, and when you would later convert this into a JPEG, it would have a white background behind it. So again, please do this with my picture as well as appropriate one of your photographs. Good luck.